We're going to be talking about 5 free credit resources to help you improve your credit score. Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talent.
And I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between.
The Sunday Night Sit Down is being brought to you by Credit Sesame.
Does your credit score have you down and looking for solutions? You may just find the answers you're looking for with Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame is your solution for a free no-hassle credit score, credit analysis, and tips for managing your money. They are here to help you take control of and have the tools you need to bring about a bright financial future. Get empowered today. There's no credit card required. Receive identity theft protection up to $50,000. And discover a marketplace for credit and loan officers that will help you get to your next level. Visit hisandhermoney.com/Credit Sesame for more details.
So we know a lot of you have some goals when it comes to your finances, and a very common financial goal that we have found is that people are looking for ways to improve their credit score, because the truth of the matter is credit plays such a big role in so many various areas of our lives. It's not just about getting a house or a car anymore. But insurance companies are running your credit. Jobs are running your credit. Cell phone companies are running your credit. And so it is important to have a good handle on where your credit score currently sits. And for some of you, if you're looking for help to improve your current credit score situation, we have some resources that we found that are free that can help you get started.
That's right. Did you say free?
Free.
Totally free, guys. So keep in mind that everything that we're mentioning here in this video, if you check the description box below, all of the links to take you right to the sites will be there. All right, so resource number 1 that is totally free is Credit Sesame. You guys, this company is phenomenal. They have a wealth of information over on their website. You can actually get your score totally for free every single month. They also give you $50,000 in identity theft protection. So they monitor your credit. If there's any changes with that, they'll alert you. If anyone stole your information, they'll not only make sure that you have protection up to $50,000, but they'll also help you in resolving the situation. So Credit Sesame is definitely one that you want to check out, and it's totally free, so why not?
Resource number 2 is Credit Karma. Credit Karma is great because it's one thing to know where your current score is now. It's another to have an eye on where things are going. And that's where Credit Karma comes in, because it offers monitoring services for you. You can literally check the status of what's going on with your credit every single day if you wanted to with Credit Karma. Again, another free resource. So that way you can see that as you're putting in the work to get your credit in order, you can see the progress that's being made. And you can also see if somebody's trying to do something bad to your credit, and therefore you have an alert and you have the information you need so that bad things don't come worse things when it comes to your credit. So check out Credit Karma as a way to monitor the progress that you're making with your credit score.
Number 3, annualcreditreport.com. Annualcreditreport.com is a site that is set up to actually give you your credit report for free once a year. So you can get one from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. We love to take advantage of this one particular site, and we like to monitor our credit every single quarter. So we don't pull all 3 at the same time. We'll pull one first, maybe Experian in January, and then come April, we'll pull Equifax. And then in 4 months from there, we'll pull Experian. Did I say that right?
Yeah.
TransUnion? Did I say TransUnion? Okay, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. You guys get it, okay? So every single quarter, every 4 months, grab them, pull your credit report. You can get it totally for free. Now, they will allow you to also access your credit report right there online. It'll pop up. You can print it up, or they'll also mail it to you. So what's really nice about that site, if you don't have access to a website or things like that, they do have a telephone number. It is, again, on the website. We'll make sure that we put in the description box below. But if you call them, you can also do it over the phone, and they can mail you your credit report right to your home.
And the next resource that we want to tell you about is one if you need a little extra help. Because so far we've told you how to get your score, we've told you how to get monitoring services, and we've even told you how to get your report. Now you may get all of these things in front of you, and it may look like it's in a foreign language, and it might go over your head. And so you may need somebody to help you walk through the process. And guess what? There's a free resource for that, and it's called ClearPoint. ClearPoint Counseling Services. And one of the many programs that they have is that they will sit down with you and look at your credit report and go over it with you and give you counseling in this area totally free. They are a wonderful non-for-profit service that has a lot of different various programming, from bankruptcy to credit to positioning yourself for home ownership. But this particular program is a free program where they will hold your hand and help you get a clear understanding of where your credit is right now and some of the things that you need to do to move your credit score in the right direction in the future. Number 5, we want to tell you about a wonderful podcast episode that we did on our podcast, The His and Her Money Show. And we sat down with a credit professional by the name of Nativa Hurd. And this particular episode is called The Definitive Guide to Raising Your Credit Score. Nativa knows all things credit like the back of her hand, and she has helped literally thousands of people get their credit to a better place. And she took some time to come on our show and give a whole lot of information for free, from how to improve your credit score, what your credit score is comprised of, some strategies to move your credit score in the right direction, and even how to determine whether or not certain credit services are good or are a scam. So she took about 40 minutes to really break down a lot of this information and made it so that anybody can really understand what type of actions they need to take to improve their credit score. So be sure to check out that episode. And like Ty said, everything that we have mentioned in this video, you can find the link to it down in the description box.
Well, guys, now we want to hear from you. Leave us a comment in the comment section below, letting us know what are some of the ways that you have improved your credit score. Now, we don't want to mention any necessarily, companies that are going to be charging you and these credit companies that are helping you clean up your credit. Nothing like that. But is there something, a practice that maybe that you put in place that has helped you? Maybe you start just paying your bills on time. Whatever it is, share it down below in the description box. We want to hear from you. Well, guys, we hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Sharing is caring. Don't forget that we have a ton of information over on our website, hisandhermoney.com, where we're teaching you guys and showing you all how to live life to the fullest and get your money in order, all right? And don't forget, guys, meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
Well, that's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Until next time. Peace.
Bye.